Now, this is quite a discovery. Fragments of a biblical scroll, along with other relics, have been found in desert caves in Israel.
Many strange treasures have been discovered beneath the sea, yet only a select few know the mysteries hidden in caves. These shocking discoveries in mysterious caves have the potential to alter our understanding of history and perspective on past civilizations. In this video, we will reveal 15 mysterious cave discoveries that have shocked people all over the globe. Stick around, as you won't want to miss number 1 as we reveal strange cups made of human skulls. Number 15, the 3,300-year-old bird claw. About 3 decades ago, a group of archaeologists embarked on an expedition deep within the expansive cave system of Mount Owen in New Zealand. During their exploration, they made a startling and extraordinary discovery. In the dimly lit recesses of the cave, their eyes stumbled on something. A massive, dinosaur-like claw adorned with flesh and scaly skin. The claw was remarkably well preserved, leading the archaeologists to believe it belonged to a creature that had recently reached its demise. The archaeological team carefully retrieved the claw and subjected it to thorough analysis. The strange claw was identified as the preserved remains of an upland moa, a sizable ancient bird that had disappeared several centuries ago. These upland moas, scientifically known as Megalapteryx didinus, were native exclusively to New Zealand. A DNA analysis published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences suggested that the first Moa species emerged approximately 18.5 million years ago. It is believed that there were at least 10 different species of Moa, all of which were eradicated in what is now considered the fastest megafauna extinction facilitated by human activity. Since the discovery of Moa bones, numerous additional specimens have been unearthed, including astonishingly well-preserved mummified remains like the Mount Owen claw. Number 14. Ghostly transparent cave-dwelling snails. Nestled within the majestic mountains of Croatia, a world of astounding natural wonders awaits. Among them, the Lucina Jama cave is the most notable, boasting a depth of 1,431 meters. As the deepest cave in Croatia and the 14th deepest in the world, it is a testament to the awe-inspiring grandeur of Earth's geological marvels. Besides its impressive depth, Lucina Jama Cave is also known for its unique ambience that supports the existence of very unique creatures. During a caving expedition in 2012, researchers made a remarkable discovery within the cave's depths. They stumbled upon a mysteriously translucent snail, scientifically named Zospeum tholusum. This tiny species measures less than 2 millimeters in shell height and around 1 millimeter in width. Remarkably, these snails are completely blind, which is well suited to their light-deprived habitat. What truly sets them apart is their delicate, ghost-like shells, a rare characteristic among terrestrial snails. Researchers observed the snail's internal anatomy, a phenomenon rarely witnessed in the natural world. Following a thorough analysis in 2013, Dr. Alexander Weigand, a taxonomist, officially described the snail as a new species. Number 13. The Dead Sea Scrolls. The Dead Sea Scrolls, discovered between 1947 and 1956 near the shores of the Dead Sea in the Qumran cave area of the Judean desert, comprise a collection of ancient Jewish texts. This remarkable find ranks among the most significant archaeological and religious discoveries of the 20th century, offering invaluable insights into Judaism during the Second Temple period, 2nd century BCE to 1st century CE. The initial discovery occurred in 1947 when a Bedouin shepherd stumbled upon the first scrolls while searching for a lost goat near the cliffs of Qumran. This initial discovery included 7 well-preserved scrolls, biblical texts, and other writings. The importance of this discovery was immediately recognized, prompting scholars and archaeologists to conduct excavations in the region. These excavations led to the exploration of 11 caves containing fragments and manuscripts. The Dead Sea Scrolls consist of over 900 manuscripts, with fragments from every book of the Hebrew Bible except for the Book of Esther. Alongside biblical texts, the scrolls include numerous non-biblical writings, such as sectarian texts, liturgical texts, commentaries, hymns, and legal documents. The authors and scribes of the Dead Sea Scrolls were likely members of an ascetic Jewish sect known as the Essenes, who resided in the Qumran area. Number 12. largest human footprints beyond Romania's captivating landscapes and fascinating traditions lies a hidden gem of discovery. Within the Carpathian Mountains is the Siur-Izbuc Cave, where there was a remarkable discovery in 1965. A team of archaeologists ventured into this mysterious cave. It was rewarded with an awe-inspiring find, approximately 400 footprints of ancient humans. This discovery has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of human history. Initially, these footprints were believed to be around 10,000 to 15,000 years old. However, recent revelations have challenged this assumption. Radiocarbon dating of two bear fossils found in the cave provided surprising results. It was revealed that the footprints were made by an unidentified human species approximately 36,500 years ago. This makes them the oldest known human tracks ever found in Europe. As the mysteries surrounding the ancient history of the cave continue to unravel, it's safe to say these strange footprints provide answers beyond our current capacity to comprehend. Number 11. The mysterious LONGYOU Caves. Deep within the heart of Zhejiang province in China lies a breathtaking archaeological mystery that has left experts scratching their heads. Discovered by a humble villager in 1992, these strange caves have had many wondering about the purpose of their creation. The LONGYOU Caves comprise a complex network of 24 caverns carved into the sandstone bedrock beneath the surface. The caves vary in size, with the largest being over 30 meters in height and covering an area of more than 1,000 square meters. The walls, ceilings, and pillars of the caves are remarkably smooth and feature intricate patterns and designs. The most perplexing aspect of the LONGYOU Caves is their creation. No historical records or ancient texts mention their construction, and there is no evidence of the tools or techniques used to carve the caves. The precision of the carving suggests a high level of technological sophistication, raising questions about the capabilities of the ancient civilization that built them. There are different theories about what the caves were used for. Some think they were used to store things, while others think they had a religious or ceremonial purpose. The absence of artifacts or human remains within the caves adds to the mystery. Number 10. Sacrificial Cave in Belize. Situated between Mexico to the north and Guatemala to the west, Belize's striking landscape features jagged mountains, expansive marshes, and vibrant tropical rainforests. According to legend, this cave was a sacred site for the ancient Mayans, who used it for special ceremonies and offerings dedicated to their deities. The name of this extraordinary cavern is Actun Tunachil Muknal. It is an ancient Mayan cave that served as a ceremonial site and burial ground. The Maya civilization used it during the Classic period, approximately 250 to 909 AD. The cave remained hidden and untouched for centuries until it was rediscovered in the late 20th century. The cave contains many artifacts and human remains, including ceramics, obsidian blades, and skeletal remains. One of the most remarkable discoveries within the cave is the fully calcified skull of a 7-year-old child, initially mistaken for a girl and affectionately named the Crystal Maiden. Experts speculate that this young boy met a slow and agonizing demise, likely due to his crushed vertebrae, possibly as an offering to a rain god. However, dating the sacrifices proves challenging due to the calcite that has fused the bones to the cave floor over time. Most of the pottery found in the cave is believed to be from around 700 to 900 AD, when people used to make sacrifices. When you stand in this special place, you can't help but feel a strong connection to the people who lived here a long time ago. Number 9. Altamura Man. The Altamura Man, also known as Homo neanderthalensis altamurensis, is an ancient human fossil discovered in the Lamalunga cave near Altamura, Puglia, Italy. The finding, made in 1993, remains one of the most important paleontological discoveries in the region. The story of the Altamura Man begins with a group of cave explorers who entered the Lamalunga cave during a routine expedition. While navigating the cave's narrow passages, they came across an extraordinary sight, a human skull protruding from the cave floor. Realizing the potential significance of the discovery, they promptly notified local authorities and paleontologists. Subsequent excavation efforts revealed that the remains of the Altamura Man were remarkably well preserved, lying undisturbed in their original location for thousands of years. The limestone deposits in the cave played a crucial role in preserving the fossil, creating a protective environment that shielded it from erosion and decay. However, due to being wedged between the cave floors for decades, extracting the skeleton without causing damage posed a challenge for paleontologists. The Altamura man's DNA analysis indicated that it lived during the Middle Pleistocene, approximately 128,000 to 187,000 years ago. That's pretty impressive. Number 8. Life in Movile Cave. The Movile Cave, situated in southeastern Romania near the Black Sea, is an extraordinary underground ecosystem that has remained isolated from the outside world for millions of years. This cave was discovered in 1986 during a mining project. It has a highly unusual environment that lacks light and oxygen, but has high levels of carbon dioxide and methane. Despite the extreme conditions, the Movile Cave thrives with life, making it a captivating subject for scientific research. Within this cave, the ecosystem sustains itself through chemosynthesis rather than photosynthesis. Over 35 animal species have been identified in this cave, including spiders, scorpions, pseudoscorpions, leeches, and insects. Adapted to perpetual darkness, some creatures have lost their pigmentation and eyesight. Scientists believe there are still undiscovered life forms awaiting revelation within the depths of the Movile Cave. Number 7. GOMANTONG Cave in Borneo. Located in Sabah, Borneo, Malaysia, the GOMANTONG Cave is a renowned cave within the GOMANTONG Forest Reserve, part of the expansive lower Kinabatangan-Sagama wetlands. While it may initially appear like a hidden stash of gold coins, the place is filled with millions of cockroaches, earning it the nickname Cockroach Cave. The cave consists of 2 chambers, the Black Chamber and the White Chamber. Entering the GOMANTONG Cave is not for the faint-hearted, as the overwhelming smell from within can be unbearable. This cave is home to a large population of bats, numbering in the hundreds of thousands to even millions. These bats venture outside the cave at night, searching for food, creating a captivating spectacle. The cave's distinctive ecosystem sustains a wide array of wildlife. Alongside bats and swiftlets, numerous other creatures that dwell in caves, such as insects and snakes, can be found within its depths. The guano, or bat droppings, produced by the bats play a vital role in supporting the cave's ecosystem by providing essential nutrients. This might be one of the weirdest caves on this list. Moving on, number 6. 175000 stalagmite circles. Recently, people have discovered stalagmites in caves across the world. But finding stalagmites arranged in semicircles by ancient Neanderthals is a remarkably fascinating sight. This discovery was made in Brunicle Cave, located in southern France. It all started in 1990 when archaeologists, led by François Rousseau, began exploring the cave. As they went deeper into the cave, the archaeologists found something amazing. They saw structures made of big stalagmites arranged in circles. These circles were carefully made with broken stalagmites placed in concentric circles. One thing was certain: this was arranged by humans. Using special techniques, the experts figured out that the Neanderthals made these structures around 175,000 years ago. That makes them one of the oldest things ever made by humans. This shows that Neanderthals were around in Europe during the Middle Paleolithic period. This discovery surprised everyone because it changed the way we think about Neanderthals. We used to think they were simple and not very smart, but this proves they could plan and do complicated things. But this cave holds more secrets to the activities of Neanderthals than any book does. Number 5. Hobbit scientists have made a remarkable breakthrough in the field of paleontology. They have uncovered the remains of human skeletons, resembling hobbits in stature. These skeletons are as tall as a 3-year-old child. Surprisingly, these diminutive beings have skulls similar to the size of grapefruits. These extraordinary humans once inhabited a cave on the Indonesian island of Flores approximately 18,000 years ago. A team of Australian and Indonesian researchers unexpectedly stumbled upon these skeletal remains, leading to a monumental discovery. The initial skeleton they found belonged to a previously unknown human species, subsequently named Homo floresiensis after the island. Interestingly, these small inhabitants were affectionately called hobbits by the archaeologists, drawing inspiration from the characters in J.R.R. Tolkien's renowned series, The Lord of the Rings. Among the collection of fossils, they uncovered the skeletal remains of a female standing just 3 feet 3 inches tall and weighing approximately 55 pounds. It is estimated that she was around 30 years old at the time of her demise, 18,000 years ago. The cave also had ancient stone tools, proving hunting activities targeting dwarf elephants, giant rodents, Komodo dragons, and lizards. This groundbreaking revelation opens a window into the intricate tapestry of human evolution and the diverse array of life that once thrived on our planet. Number 4. Skull Rack. A fascinating revelation appeared in a cave near Frontera Comalapa in Chiapas, Mexico. Within the cave's depths, a large and disorganized collection of human remains was discovered, raising concerns about potential crime scenes due to the region's struggles with drug cartels and violence. However, a surprising truth emerged upon closer examination. The cave was not a crime scene as initially suspected. Instead, the 150 skulls found in Frontera Comalapa in 2012 dated between 900 and 1200 CE. The identification of these bones was challenging due to their fragmented state. Researchers found out that many of the bones were believed to belong to women, but the remains of men and infants were alongside them. It was discovered that the Frontera Comalapa skulls appeared to be victims of ritual decapitation. Stacking skulls on top of each other was common in various Mesoamerican civilizations, including the Aztec and Mayan cultures. This ancient tradition served as a ceremonial display, reflecting the significant cultural beliefs and practices of the time. These shocking discoveries have provided valuable insights into the rich history of Mesoamerican civilizations and continue to captivate researchers and enthusiasts alike. Number 3. Caves with crystals. Deep in Chihuahua, Mexico, lie 2 extraordinary caves adorned with magnificent crystals. Prepare to be transported to an underground wonderland that defies imagination. The Nika Mine, also known as the Cave of the Crystals, holds a secret that has shocked scientists. Within its dark depths, you'll encounter some of the largest natural crystals ever discovered on Earth. These breathtaking masterpieces have existed for millions of years, patiently crafted by the delicate interplay of time, temperature, and mineral-rich water. These amazing structures sparkle like precious gemstones, casting a surreal glow throughout the cave. The Cave of the Crystal story began over 500 million years ago when the area was submerged beneath a vast ocean. Slowly, tectonic forces reshaped the landscape, pushing it into a high plateau. Beneath the surface, mineral-rich waters began depositing layer upon layer of gypsum over millions of years. Thus, the stage was set for the creation of this geological masterpiece. Number 2. Cave of the Cannibals. In 2014, researchers excavated at the Goyet Cave, located in Namur, Belgium. This cave has long been a site of archaeological interest. The findings from the excavations provided compelling evidence of Neanderthal cannibalism. The discovery showed Neanderthal bones exhibiting clear signs of intentional butchering and modifications. The bones revealed distinct cut marks, indicating that the Neanderthal bodies were systematically dismembered and flesh was deliberately removed. These cut marks' precise and careful nature suggests that the Neanderthals possessed anatomical knowledge and skill in the butchering process. The presence of cannibalism at Goyet Cave has raised intriguing questions about the motives behind such practices. One possibility is that Neanderthals practiced cannibalism for nutritional reasons, especially during scarcity or resource competition. Cannibalism may have provided an additional food source when other options were limited. Another possible explanation is that Neanderthal cannibalism held ritualistic or cultural significance. Some researchers speculate that the practice could have been linked to beliefs about death, ancestry, or even acts of violence and domination. The Goyet Cave findings shed new light on the dietary practices and cultural dimensions of Neanderthal populations, deepening our understanding of our ancient ancestors. Number 1. Cups made with human skulls. Archaeologists have made a captivating discovery deep within Gow's Cave in Somerset, England. Unearthed were 3 human brain cases that had been transformed into skull cups. Among them, one belonged to an approximately 3-year-old child, while the other 2 belonged to adults. Radiocarbon dating has revealed that these skull cups are approximately 14,700 years old, making them incredibly ancient. What makes them even more interesting is that they are the first of their kind ever found in England. Similar skull cups have been found in other parts of Western Europe, but we're not exactly sure how old they are. In contrast, the age of these skull cups from Gough's cave is indisputable due to direct radiocarbon dating. The process of creating these skull cups was quite intricate. The skulls were meticulously stripped of all flesh and tissue, and their lower jaws were removed and cracked open, likely to access the nutritious marrow inside. Subsequently, the skulls were horizontally fractured to form a bowl-like shape, and the jagged edges were meticulously chipped away to achieve a smooth and comfortable cup. This discovery gives us an interesting look into the past and the strange customs of our ancestors. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get more interesting content.